Thank you so much. Honestly, it's a surprise, and to say the least. I'm so honored to receive this and know that this is for all of you guys, for all of us that work here. And know that the hard work that we put has been a group effort. And I always count on everyone from the district level, from the board members, from every single one of you who's sitting here. I'm beyond proud of what we have accomplished. Sometimes, we question days in and days out, but this is all, it all makes it worth it. This is a moment that, brings shine not only to our school, but also to our entire district and our community. This is huge for us. I'm a product of Gadsden School District. I went to school since I was in 3rd grade here, and I'm a principal now, and I want that to be kind of what you need to look forward to, because a lot of us are doing that, and I'm just beyond proud and thankful. Honestly, to me, this is like the biggest honor, and I love all of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.